Zimbabwe yakauya nehondo kumana, yakauya nehondo kumana nehondo. Zimbabwe yakauya nehondo kumana, yakauya nehondo kumana nehondo. Right, welcome to this tutorial where I just want to teach Hondo or Todzungaira, as it is known in different circles. I want to apply the law of association. The law of association helps us to remember things that we might be forgetting by associating them with something that we remember. It's learning from the known to the unknown. If you are able to play Karigamombe, then you should not have any problems with Todzungaira. There are two ways of playing Todzungaira. It's either you're playing it from your understanding of Karigamombe or from your understanding of Nemamsasa. Today I want to look at the Karigamombe approach to Todzungaira. So basically, you are playing Karigamombe. Zimbabwe yakauya nehondo kumana, yakauya nehondo kumana nehondo. Zimbabwe yakauya nehondo kumana, yakauya nehondo kumana nehondo. Zimbabwe yakauya nehondo kumana, yakauya nehondo kumana nehondo. Thank you.